Hello, my name is Matt, and I'm going to show off my aquaponics system.
Alright, so here it is. The top level is the grow bed, the middle level is the aquarium, and the bottom level is for the sump tank. I already had the grow bed and the aquarium from previous totes I was using. I had to buy the sump tank at the store. So here's the grow bed. It's filled with these clay pebbles called Hydroton, and the plants, the seeds start in these Rockwool, uh, I don't know what they're called, but they go inside of a plastic neti pot, and then you just take those and you bury them into the clay bubbles, and that should allow the plants to grow roots down to the water level. Now here's the bell siphon. The bell siphon is used to at a certain point when the water reaches a certain level, it sucks the water out and dumps everything into the sump tank, and then it refills again. You should do some YouTube searches on bell siphons or U siphons to find out more info about those. So there's the bulkhead in the bottom, and it drains through PVC pipe all the way down to the sump tank. So here's the aquarium part. The aquarium has water pumped in from the sump tank, and I have two live aquatic plants in there, as well as 5 goldfish. There's an aerator to make sure the water gets enough oxygen. And here I have a video of everything removed with the drain. You can see the PVC pipe goes to the height of the water that I want. And then there's a plastic filter that prevents the fish and food and whatever other debris from falling down into the sump tank. So that will drain down into the sump tank. And in the sump tank is the water pump. Now this was an 840 gallon per hour water pump, and it pipes through PVC up to the fish tank and the grow bed in one pipe. And there you go. There is my simple aquaponics setup. And to conclude, I wanted to also mention costs. If you were buying everything from scratch, I calculated it out to be about $400. But if you already have shelving, plastic totes, it could be considerably less for you. So I'll leave links in the description to the Amazon product pages, and you can get a better idea of exactly what I used and how much they cost, and try and calculate what you might need for your own setup. And the 400 price tag is also including several things that I bought that I never ended up using. I found alternatives that I already had, or I had to repurchase some things, and that includes the pump. I originally bought a much weaker pump that was not strong enough to pump the water up. So make sure you buy a decent pump in the first place and don't go for a cheap pump. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.